In the place detail.dart file, on this place detail screen, I want to show this map screen if we tap this circle avatar. Now for that to make this tappable, we can't use a built-in parameter because it doesn't have a onTap parameter, but you of course learned before that we can simply wrap this widget with another widget, with the gesture detector widget to be precise, which allows us to add extra event listeners. So here we can now add onTap to register onTaps on that child widget. And here up on a tab, I of course now want to open that map screen. So here we can use navigator of context to push a new screen onto the stack of screens using a material page route as always. And then in the builder, we get our context, but the screen I want to return here now is my map screen, created like this. And the map screen here, of course, is coming from that import here, where I import my map.dart file from the screens folder in my project. So with that added, I'm going to this screen here, and now I just need to make sure that here in place detail, where I want to view an already selected place on this map, I do set the location parameter here to that place location which I have here, so that this place is shown on the map instead of that default dummy place which we set up here in the constructor function. This one, I don't want to show this one, I want to show my own place instead. And in addition, is selecting should be set to false because we're not selecting a new place here. Hence, for example, this save button should not be shown in the app bar. And now with that, we can save that all, restart. And if I now go back and create a new place, we still can't select it on a map, but I can of course take that picture and then thereafter get my current location. So click this get current location button. And if we now add this place and we tap it here, we can now also tap this circle avatar and we load our full screen movable map here. You can also pinch and zoom here in the simulator. On Mac, this can be simulated by holding the Control or Command key and then dragging your mouse. And this all works. We also have that pin here, and we can go back, of course. And therefore, the next step now is to make sure that select on map works and allows us to select a place.